Now the rain falls straight down into it. Probably about an extra 20 horsepower.
I'll take a trumpet.
Who knew this car could sound so good with the proper intake? This is super ghetto, super sketch. I want a nicer intake, so that's what we're gonna work on today. Just popping the hood open here. Not looking too shabby. My K24 is running pretty good, especially with the WD-40 through it. It's running nice and smooth. I just gotta get this janky intake figured out. It works, it sounds great, but I can do better. Like I said, I gotta do better than that, and there's only one way I can possibly think to make this any better. How am I gonna do that, you ask? Let me show you. I did not foresee this happening. I didn't think to check that the frame rail was back here, but how do we fix this? Yeah, there's a little bit more room for activities right here. That's why you measure once, cut twice, everyone. And now that the first piece is laid, there we go. It's good fitment. Now I can piece together the rest of the intake and we can see how it sounds. Now for the piece de resistance. Oh, hey, that ain't looking too shabby. Got my angle a little off here, but otherwise it's all right. Probably just have it sit there like that, so the side near here gives a little bit of support. And we are done. Yeah. Now, I'm sure you're at the point in the video where you're curious how ridiculous this sounds. Hopefully, it matches how ridiculous it looks. What do you think, Dave? Probably about an extra 20 horsepower. That's ridiculous.
Snorkel turned around the wrong way. It's supposed to face that way.
Oh, it is?
All the rain's gonna shoot in there.
You like playing with my pipe?
There you go. Oh. Now you can hear it better. You can hear it better, can't you?
Now the rain falls straight down into it.
Oh, you can feel it. Put your hand
Yeah,
on it.
now you can feel it.
It sucks in a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. That's an efficient Honda engine right there. It can suck a golf ball through a garden hose, man.
Do you feel that suction there? Oh, man. Put your hand. You feel it? Put your hand over it. Let them feel it. It's sucking good, don't it?
Yeah, your wife would know.
You got too much time on your hands.
No, I ain't got enough, to be honest with you.
Creativity, man. Yes, that is pure creativity. How much is the increase in horsepower? You know?
I'm estimating about 30.
More horsepower?
Well, with this facing forwards, ram air. Oh man, I love it. And as beautiful as this looks, the craftsmanship of this intake is unlike anything other. It's still, I mean, I gotta be real with y'all. It does look a little tacky and unfinished. I got to do something about this, so it's not done yet. However, just in a quick second, it's gonna go looking like this to, oh, look at that. Now, this is an intake to be proud of. And with this custom paint, oh my goodness, it just looks fabulous. Oh, I love it. When women see me pull up with this big bad boy, it's gonna make them weak in the knees, I'm telling ya. Sometimes the smallest things you do to your car make the biggest differences. And that's what the women like.